Morning, folks. I'm out here this morning. It's 30th day of December 2024. Man, it has rained. I mean, we have had a lot of rain. Anyhow, what I'm doing this morning, we're going to try to learn something together here. Being that I got the truck and trailer hooked up. Like I say, it's not a huge task or anything, but we just need to do a little learning. And I'm going to set you up here and let you see what I'm talking about. But anyhow, y'all just hang on. Alright, folks, what are we doing today? Well, I'm going to try to learn how to load this little backhoe. If I come off, if I pull it up on there, the backhoe part's so long, it really drags the ground. You can see back there where I've got all the dirt where I unloaded the thing when I brought it home. But I'm thinking I need to back it on and off this trailer, because this will be the trailer I use with it. But we're going to have to do some experimentation. Yeah, I guess y'all think I'm crazy, but I gotta know, because I gotta move this thing. And yes, I want to leave the mowing deck on it for now to see if I can and can't unload it, and what's going to hit, what ain't, things like that. So I'm gonna try to get you set up here, and we're just going to do some experimentation. I may fail. If I do, I guess you can laugh at me, but anyhow, just hang on here. do you think, guys? I can't back it up on there with those ramps. I might could make some longer ramps and put it up on there. That is an option. And I don't know if these are any longer or not. I've got another trailer here that's mine also. They look a lot longer actually. They're bent a little bit. But this is the first trailer I ever had. It's been a good trailer. It needs reforming now, but we still use it to haul tin and stuff on, but it's been a real good trailer. Just makes me wonder, like I say, which way's the better trailer. This one's 16 feet and that one's 20 overall, but that one's also got the ramp on the back, and you'd think it would go on up on there. It would if I had longer ramps. That's something I need to, yeah, that's probably coming. I don't think, probably just have to build some longer ramps, and that would really help that situation there. Don't know exactly how much longer though. I'll have to measure those and find out. In the meantime, I'll just have to be real careful taking it in and off the trailer and make sure it's flat. Swing the boom and scrub as little as possible, I guess. I don't know, y'all got any suggestions? That might be a good thing. But like I say, I'll hook my gooseneck up one day and try it. Because I would say it will go up on these ramps a little better. Probably won't hit. I don't know. I mean, it's got a pretty good sized dovetail to it too. I mean, they're the mega ramps. They fall out, like I say, and make it level. I don't know. I know them things are heavy right there on this trailer. Like I say, if I had to do it over, I'd cut them down. I'd probably go with, I like the safety of those, but daggone, they're just heavy. I mean, they're built heavy. But yeah, it's going to be an interesting experiment to try and find out. Like I say, I think longer ramps would help my situation, but I don't know for sure. But it was a good experiment today, and good to know exactly what I need to do now, I think. Don't know, just have to let you know later. Anyway, see you after a while.